Welcome back to the land of ice and snow on a sunny day here in the mountains of Idaho, southeast Idaho, where we've got about, well, let me check my snow pole out here. Well, the snow pole says 2.5 feet of snow. Let's talk Driftcutters here for a minute. I've got two I made for my snow blower. It's a Kubota L4479 blower on a Grandel 4760 tractor. What are the pros and cons of Driftcutters? Well, what I find is that as the snow gets deep enough here, my blower starts tunneling under the snow, and so the Driftcutters cut it off and tend to drop it in front of the blower, although I could use something coming up behind them that I might fashion someday. But so that's the main advantage of Driftcutters. The cons is that they stick out, so you can't drive up as close, where I blow up to some garage doors and stuff and I have to shovel it away instead. So there are trade-offs, but these are 1/2 inch steel and they're pretty long because I go through some deep snow. So I'll show you how I put them on. I drilled, one hole was already in the side of the, well, let's go to the sunny side where it's a little more better video. I put this is an existing hole. I drilled this one down here that is the second hole, and then drilled the Driftcutters to fit in those. So I'll set up and show you how I put them on. Well, you just take them, get the bolt in there, and that started on it. These are set at about 30 degrees. And then just tighten them down. And that's how they go on. I think it was about $50 in materials when I bought the steel from the steel dealer a couple years ago. Steel may have gone up or down since then. But these are heavy enough duty, and they beat the little wings you can get from the dealer for these. They're more wings that increase the width rather than the height of the snowblower. So next videos I have, I'll have these Driftcutters in action. I'll try to show you some in some deep snow. There they both are on, mounted up, tightened down, ready to go. So we're just waiting for snow, more on Tuesday or Wednesday night. So we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all the new subscribers and the old ones for hanging around. Be back with more snow blowing videos as soon as we get more snow.